Here's how to collect and store employee certifications efficiently in just a few simple steps. This guide is perfect for anyone looking to keep their records organized, whether you're managing a small team or a large workforce. To start, gathering employee certifications begins with ensuring you have a clear system in place. First, request copies of certifications from your employees in a consistent format. This can include PDFs, scanned documents, or even photos of physical certificates. Be sure to ask for them as soon as the certification is earned to avoid delays. Setting a deadline or having a specific time frame in mind will keep the process on track. Once you've collected all the certifications, the next step is organizing them. You'll want to create digital folders that are easily accessible and categorized. Group them by certification type, employee name, or department, depending on what works best for your needs. If you're managing a large team, using software to track and store certifications can be a huge time saver, and I've tested several platforms for you. Our recommended software simplifies this process with features that help you automatically upload, store, and track certifications. It even allows you to set reminders for when certifications are nearing expiration, so you're always ahead of the game. You can also easily pull up a specific certification in seconds, perfect for audits or when you need quick access to a record. Now, let's talk about how you can store those certifications securely. Whether you're using cloud storage or on-premise solutions, make sure your system is backed up regularly. Cloud storage offers an extra layer of security, and many platforms offer encrypted storage to keep your documents safe. In addition to this, set access controls to ensure only authorized personnel can view or modify sensitive employee data. Another important step is ensuring that you maintain compliance with any industry-specific regulations when storing certifications. Make sure that the software you're using complies with the necessary standards for data protection and privacy. This can be especially crucial in industries like healthcare or finance, where certifications and personal information must be handled with care. To streamline your process even further, consider setting up automatic reminders. With certain software, you can automate notifications for employees when their certifications are about to expire, giving them plenty of time to renew. This proactive approach will save you from last-minute scrambling and ensure your team stays compliant. Now, a quick recap. First, request and collect certifications consistently. Organize them into clear categories, whether manually or with software. Store them securely, either in the cloud or on-premise, and use access controls to protect sensitive data. Finally, set up reminders and notifications to avoid missing renewal dates. The key takeaway here is to establish a system for collecting, organizing, and storing employee certifications as soon as possible. Not only does this save you time and effort, but it also ensures compliance and keeps your team ready for audits or industry changes. Before you go, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial of our recommended software in the description below. It's the best way to follow along and streamline your certification management. Thanks for watching.